Oh. Oh, okay. Well, I'm recording another. I did one right a minute ago, so this actually found the flash. It works. This is my Mattel He-Man Masters of the Universe collection with Matty Toy Collector, mostly Masters of the Universe. I'll show you the non-He-Man stuff first. Here's my Voltron. Pretty big sucker. There's his sword. About 2 feet. I'm thinking. These are the pilot are 3/4 inch. There's a hoverboard. Life size. It's floating in the air. Okay. My actual display is just He-Man and Masters of the Universe to the classics collection, and on top it's got. This is the first one they came out with. The castle statue. I got the variant. Looks like a statue. Here's the. Wow. Can't remember the name. The sorceress and the Temple Gardener sorceress. That's the PowerCon New York Con exclusive. Here's the prototype figures. This is the original concept for He-Man. That's Skeletor and that's He-Man. But he's called Vicor, and this guy, I remember his name. There's Man of Arms sitting on the Wing Raider. It's pretty cool. You see it's standing on the stand. Looks like it's flying. There's She-Ra and her Swiftwind. This is a bow power She-Ra, whatever. Titus. This guy is big as Voltron over here. If you stand him up, he's sitting down, chilling. Wow, I can't remember his name. No, what's his? I can't remember. There's He-Man and Battle Cat. Battle Armor He-Man. There's Skeletor and Panther. Battle Armor Skeletor. Shadow Beast, Procatus, Megator, Gygor, and Beastman on his Griffin. I think that's what it's called. The actual displays with cubby holes, and they're all organized in groups. And over here is the royal family. In the back is She-Ra and her friends, Prince of Power characters. Over here is He-Man the Masters of the Universe with all his sidekicks. So, this is new, Ram-Man. Well, here's the Pre-Eternia characters, mini hoverboard, and deodorant. The light's gonna break. Over here is Skeletor and Evil Warriors. This cubbyhole is pretty stacked up, so as you can see. Over here is King Hes and the Snake Man. Small contingent. This is a little bigger. It's Hordak and the Evil Horde. This one's really tiny. This is New Adventures of He-Man characters 3, and these are just, I don't know where I put them, so I put them there. Skeletor, He-Man. And these are the figures that were designed by special creators, so this is the contest winner right here in the front. And, yep, that's the Matty He-Man Classics collection I have. I'm missing one character, Goddess, which is in 1,000,000 pieces. And eventually I got another one of those. Oh yeah, with the weapon stand. Well, I think I showed everything. There's 3 more characters coming out this month. Was it Fangman, the first Dalmatian character, King He-Man, and there's one other con exclusive thing, but I can't remember the name right now. But yep, that's the collection right now. That's how it's displayed. And little side thing is I have this He-Man art prints. The light might be too bright. Let's see. 23 or 40, and it was by this artist. As the Heroic Warriors, and over here is the Evil Warriors. So, yep, frames too big, but cheap. And the displays from Costco. So, yep, that's my collection. He-Man Master Universe Classics, Matty, the Collector, Hoverboard, and Voltron. That's what I have this way right now. And in the future, maybe I'll do some more videos on my collection's doing, and we'll go from there. Later.